Welcome to Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I'm not inside my kitchen, but I'm going to prepare a recipe. It's a Sylheti cuisine, Sylheti chicken curry. So in this recipe I will show you how to cut the chicken from cut the chicken into pieces and then prepare the masala. So that will be little bit of different way I will cook and prepare the recipe. So for this kind of recipe, please subscribe my YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. You can follow me in Instagram, that is Madhurima's Kitchen, and for more recipes and to order food, you can always go through my Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page.
I am going to find the chicken from deep freezer and then I will cut the chicken. Finally, I found it. Already I thawed the chicken, so I have to cut this in this way. It's with skin chicken and the skin will be on. If you don't cut this chicken by your own, you can ask to the shopkeeper and they can cut it behalf of you, and the pieces size will be like this. And in this recipe I am using a tender chicken. It will be easy to cook. The weight of this chicken is 800 grams, 800 to 850.
So I have this garlic cloves and then ginger, and I am using dry Kashmiri red chili. I soaked it in water so that I can make a paste. It's not a smooth paste but a coarse paste I will use for the marination. So I'm using this Kashmiri red chili because I don't want that tikha or spicy taste. In Sylheti cuisine, they use very hot and spicy. So if anybody like to have this spicy and hot, the tikha one, so you can use that red chili, dry red chili, soak in the water and then make a coarse paste. I don't want that, so that is why I'm using the Kashmiri red chili. And now I will start with the marination. So already I cut this chicken into pieces with skin. I have leg piece as well. You can see the skin on, and I have already shown you how to cut it. And then I have this lime. I will use the lemon juice. If you don't have lemon, you can use vinegar as well. That's absolutely fine. I'm using 850 gram chicken and with bone. And then I have this salt and turmeric powder, and I have this chopped onion. I will marinate, and I have mustard oil. So I'm not using the whole mustard oil with this marination, only 1 tablespoon. Rest I will use in the cooking. And I have that special paste, so I will marinate with this paste. And entire thing I will marinate for 30 minutes. As it's chicken, it's soft, so I don't need to marinate it more than 30 minutes.
And now time for marination. Marinate it properly so the masala, the spices will cover each and every pieces properly. And the marination is done, and I will keep this for 30 minutes and then I will start the cooking.
Minutes over. Now I will add the mustard oil and I will start the cooking. I add some garlic paste in this mustard oil and I will fry for a couple of minutes. Garlic paste is already done, so I am adding this marinated chicken one by one very carefully, and I will cook for a couple of minutes.
Place the chicken in the kadai and after giving a light stir, cover it for a couple of minutes and check whether the chicken is done or not.
And I need to check that the chicken is cooking properly or not, and I have to fry this chicken till the water is evaporated. So let me check. Okay, so it's cooking. Now I don't have to cover it, so let me cook for a couple of minutes again. Already the water evaporated, so I will prepare the gravy right now. The Sylheti chicken curry, it won't be a thick gravy, it will be a thin gravy. So that is why I will add some water now. So you can see water is not there, it's already evaporated and oil is already coming out. So I'm going to add some water. Let me check the chicken is done or not. Okay, it's almost red and chicken pieces are really very soft, and I will add some garlic paste. Stir it well and I will cook for another 5 minutes in a lower heat.
And the Sylheti style chicken curry is done. I just sprinkle some fresh chopped coriander leaf to enhance the taste. Sylheti style chicken curry is very good with you can serve with plain rice and paratha or roti as well, the chapati as well. So enjoy the Sylheti style chicken curry and let me know how is the recipe.